Nowadays, plastic is like our best friend. We can find it in all aspects of life, such as plastic cup, plastic bag, plastic toys, plastic bottle, and etc. But have you ever thought about where is the end of our plastic trash? We often see the floating on the river, scattered on the ground, and sometimes we see some of them being on the tip of the tree. Surprisingly, most of them are plastic bags used to contain our stuff or item. Unconsciously, that trash contaminate our environment because of its harmful chemical addictive. It can lead to environmental problems and civil health risks. Thus, we should stop using plastic bags considering their detrimental effect. Plastic is a synthetic material made of carbon derived from petroleum, natural gas, coal, or biological source. The ingredient of plastic can be mixed in various ways to create a particular attribute or trait, such as a plastic bag. As a result, most plastic bags contain a variety of chemical additives. Plastic bags have been a part of our life for more than 100 years due to their versatile shape and use. And they are becoming increasingly popular for their numerous rules. Only a small percentage of plastic bags are recycled. The majority of them wind up in landfill or the ocean. It takes a long time for them to decay. Then they decompose into hazardous particles, which end up in the land and water. According to the Greenpeace organization, at least 267 marine species have been harmed by becoming entangled in our eating marine trash, with 90% of that being plastic. It's incredibly tough to distinguish between a floating plastic bag and jellyfish. As a result, plastic bags are frequently mistaken for food by marine species that devour jellyfish. As a result of this instinct, plastic bags have become a threat to marine life. Furthermore, plastic bags also have harmful effects on our health. Polyphenol, polystyrene, polyethylene, and other plastic components have been linked to cancer, birth deformities, genetic alteration, chronic bronchitis, ingestion, and liver dysfunction. Food can easily be contaminated with high-risk toxic, such as cancer-causing chemicals. Plastic particles in the ocean may be implicated in the food chain, affecting fish and human consumers. By eating such contaminated seafood, unconsciously cause health problems from humans. In contrast, while black plastic bags are commonly used to store food, they contain more chemical additives because they have been recycled multiple times. In light of the aforementioned consequence, we should be aware that plastic have negative implications for our environment and health. Plastic can harm the environment and pose health hazards. To reduce those effects, we should cease using plastic bags today to minimize the negative consequence. We need to switch to reusable bags to keep our shopping item contained. Furthermore, the materials used in reusable bags are safe for food and do not affect the environment.